Right, so far, Balance of War is incorrect. Arborescent Garden, incorrect. Salamander is doubled up. It's got the wrong ID number, 91. Winding Winds is freeze for some reason. Lurker has the old rarity number. And Leechin looks a lot like a salamander lava.
Press escape.
Press
right, come over to the arborescent pattern. You see the arborescent pattern, yeah? You've still got the old image, haven't you?
Yeah.
Go to configuration and then see mod caching in the middle on the game tab.
On the game tag, mod.
Yeah, untick.
Untick.
Okay, now with Arborescent Garden, Control X to cut and Control V to paste it back.
Okay, Control X, Control V.
Oh, do it.
Oh, it's done. Oh, it's like magic.
Oh, there we go. It's done.
Like a knight, fixing problems he made. Well done.
Wins. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
Success. See if the lurker got fixed.
Oh, yeah.
It's so easy. Oh, you can just edit a card, save it, cut and paste, and it's done on tabletop.